This is a demonstration of a CEREC Onlay delivery utilizing Interface, Surpass, and Anchor. Interface, Surpass, and Anchor are products available from Apex Dental Materials. Interface is a suprasilane that does away with the need for the use of hydrofluoric acid. Since it is mixed just prior to use, it is always fresh. Surpass is an 8th generation bonding system that offers the convenience of the 6th generation with the bond strengths and capabilities of 4th generation bonding systems. Anchor is a dual cure core buildup material, resin cement, and post cement, all in one. The maxillary first molar has been prepared for a CEREC Onlay. The preparation was scanned, and this CEREC Onlay was constructed by Dr. Mark Fleming. After the onlay is sandblasted, rinsed, and dried, Interface is mixed in well and is applied to the interior of the onlay. It is allowed to dwell for a few seconds and then is dried very thoroughly with a strong stream of air. Next, a drop of Surpass 2 is dispensed, and using the color-coded brush, Surpass 2 is applied over the treated interior surface of the onlay, and then it too is dried very, very thoroughly. Then a thin coat of Surpass 3 is also applied to the inner surface of the onlay. And once more, the resin is very thoroughly dried so that it is a very, very thin coat. This combination is now light activated for 10 seconds with a light generating unit. A drop of Surpass 1 is dispensed into the mixing well, and using the color-coded brush, Surpass 1 is applied to the entire preparation and is agitated briskly for 10 seconds. Surpass 1 is not dried. Next, a drop of Surpass 2 is dispensed into the second well, and using again the color-coded brush, Surpass 2 is applied to the entire preparation. 3 generous brushfuls are applied onto the preparation, and then the preparation is dried thoroughly for at least 10 seconds. A drop of Surpass 3 is then dispensed, and using the color-coded blue brush, Surpass 3 is applied to the entire preparation and then is thinned with compressed air to the desired thickness. Surpass 3 may be thinned as much as desired. Now the preparation is light activated for at least 10 seconds, in this case using an Ultralume 5 from Ultradent. Be certain that all areas receive sufficient energy. The dual cure luting resin Anchor is now dispensed and covers the entire fitting surface of the ceramic onlay. Using firm finger pressure, the onlay is seated onto the tooth, and once it is seated in proper position, it should remain undisturbed for approximately 2 to 2.5 minutes until the resin reaches a gel phase set. Once the resin luting material reaches gel phase, it may be easily removed with an instrument such as an IPC carver. Smaller amounts of excess resin are easily removed and should be removed from around the margins and the interproximal areas. Next, the interproximal contact areas should be flossed thoroughly to remove excess resin. The floss should be doubled upon itself and withdrawn out either the buccal or the lingual, as indicated. It should not be removed occlusally so as not to disturb the onlay. The seated onlay is now light activated from the occlusal, from the facial, and from the lingual, each for 20 seconds. And now the onlay is ready for final polishing and any occlusal adjustments that might be necessary. And here we see the final product. On behalf of Apex Dental Materials, thank you for spending the